In a cluttered and dynamic market, where billions of dollars are at stake, and where traditional research approaches have long concealed the complexity behind true brand relationships, a fresh look at customer dynamics is needed. One that understands and measures each and every individual's commitment towards brands, as well as the external market forces that affect these relationships. Only our unique methodology analyzes and uncovers the true dynamics of decision-making, the unexpected patterns of spending, the hidden influences of buying behavior, and the underlying factors for people moving from brand to brand. So we can give businesses the precise growth plans they need to increase spend with existing customers, find new customers, create new products, or enter new markets. The commitment economy, gaining share of minds and markets,